If you live in a home long enough, sooner or later you're going to have to patch a hole in a drywall surface. Start by using a drywall saw to square up the hole. In this case, it ended up being about 4 inches square. Then get an extra piece of drywall and cut a patch 2 inches bigger on each side. So in this case, it ended up being 8 inches square. Then turn the patch over and score 4 lines on the back, snap it, then peel off the gypsum core. And what you end up with is this. A patch that has 8-inch square paper surface with a 4-inch square piece of drywall attached to the back. So we're going to take it and put some drywall joint compound on the back. You don't need that much, but you want to make sure you cover it completely. All right, now we're going to put it in the hole. And then we're going to squeeze out and smooth out the paper. There you go. That's pretty good like that. Now what you want to do is let that dry overnight, then come back, sand it lightly, put on another coat. When that dries, sand it again, then you prime it and paint it, and you'll never know that patch was there.